Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. It's me and Josh back with our first episode of the series. I know I've said this a few times, but you guys won't know because we have literally had to record part 1 3 times now. Because 1, it posted on the wrong account. 2, one of them just didn't show up at all. And then this is our third one. So, yeah. Well, this server's tiny, so we might as well just go get a free Fort Henry, you know. If we get a free Fort Henry, then we can just kill boars and get their pelt and then get a lot of cash.
Wait, I have my horse. I could call it out.
And I'll just sprint. I'm close to it. Oh no, the server's filling up. This isn't good.
Well, I'm calling my horse. Come on, horse, let's go.
I don't know, we didn't even search for a small server, but we just got one. So, like, okay.
Yeah, it's our first server of the day.
Yeah, I think so. There's a boar. I don't like it. No, I'm sorry.
Oh, it is.
Ow!
Stamina. This horse hasn't got stamina. This horse hasn't got stamina.
I feel like if I get up, I'm a dead man. Who cares? I'm gonna still get up. Sniped him! Come for me then. He's a dead man. Go get his meat. I'll try and get Fort Henry.
That's how you go.
Don't shoot any other... Oh my god, Fort Henry's literally bang open, I think.
Nice.
Yeah, the gate's open. The second we take it over, we're closing the gates. Yo, the door... Oh my god.
Right, I picked up his meat.
Okay, now just bring it here.
Imagine I got hit by a train crossing the track.
Oh my god.
That
No, it just put it in chat saying Fort Henry's under attack because we entered Fort Henry.
Oh no.
Oh my. Right, I've taken it anyway. Quick, get in! Look, we now have full access to Fort Henry.
So when I escaped, I just ran up here and jumped off.
Wait, does this have any bullets in it? Oh.
I think you can fire it.
You can, but sometimes it doesn't have bullets in. Wait, click? Hold down click? That one doesn't seem to have bullets in. Wait, do we have access? Yo, we have access to our bank here.
Or fine. Oh, I have a bison pelt.
A bison pelt?
Yeah.
I need that.
Animal meat as well.
Keep the animal meat, drop me the pelt.
Yeah, I'll drop you a pelt.
How much is that worth? Let me pick it up. God damn it. Oh, it's only 80. We might as well just sell it.
I'm gonna put the meat in the
Look! Look, come here, look. We can sell our loot here. This guy lets us sell our loot to him.
I put the meat in the bank for now.
I'm gonna go hunting.
I'm gonna put the meat in the bank. Oh, the train. Let's rob the train.
Oh, now we're too late.
No, we'll make it.
I ain't. Oh, I've shot a ball. He's gonna be mad at me. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're dead now. You're a dead man. That's my kill. You nicked it, so let me have the meat and the pelt.
Well, I'm putting the Is it dead?
Yeah, he's dead. He's long dead.
Got shot 4 times in the head?
That was definitely necessary then.
Don't you dare kill that person as my horse. Don't kill any horses that are sat down. They're probably mine.
Oh, free pelt and meat. Appreciate that, mate.
I'm gonna go hunt my own.
I see one in the distance that I'm gonna snipe.
Oh, that was gonna be mine.
Ah, too bad, I guess. Oh, he's running away. Okay. Mate, come here. He's a pussy. Yeah, fight me then. Bullet is a bullet. Yeah, come at me.
Oh, I found one.
Find it, I'll just shoot you again. Oh my god, I'm sorry. There we go. Get on the ground.
Ow. You broke my
He broke. Wait, what's that? I just picked something up.
The legs are touching the back of my head.
Oh, he just had a rolled out pelt.
My legs are touching the back of my head.
No!
Not again! Not again!
Oh, you're gonna die. But it's okay, you'll spawn at Fort Henry.
I shall not. You broke my...
I will avenge you, you stupid bison. I avenged you, he's dead.
No, you made my legs touch the back of my head.
Bro, I just discombobulated him. Right, it's a bad time to hunt now. We might as well go back in. It's night time, so we don't want to be hunting.
More boars would be out though. No, more bison would be out, right?
Oh my god, this is not good.
What?
The server's filled up, but we still have Fort Henry.
Oh god, go run. Get in the fort! Why do you have PvP?
'Cause I'm holding a gun.
Why do I have PvP?
Mine's about to go down.
Why do I have PvP?
I don't know. I don't think PvP goes down when you're in Fort Henry.
That's a bit fair.
Well, it isn't, because you've got a whole fort.
I'll stand watch.
Shall I go mining if you stay on guard?
Bison. Oh, 71 headshot. Another 71.
I'm gonna go mining, so you stay on the watch. I will be back soon.
There's a dead boar. No, dead bison.
Do you want me to collect his meat on the way?
Headshot.
Okay, mate. Well,
60. Another 60.
collected the meat, by the way.
I'm just gonna keep killing bison. Test out my men for something to do.
So, guys, if you're wondering what this episode is, we're gonna have like a full 15 minutes of just us chatting and having gameplay and interacting with you guys, because like, it's always the opening episode that makes you guys feel welcome. Honestly, if you didn't enjoy this episode, honestly, you don't have to watch the whole thing. It's just really how you enjoy your time in your free time. Anyway, if you are still watching, comment I'm still here. And if you've gone, comment. Wait, if you're gone, you won't be able to comment. Bro, I'm so smart.
This is like the opening episode to just get you introduced to.
I just nicked this guy's zinc.
Oh god. Be safe.
He's using a tier 1 pick, so like,
It has to be new.
yeah. Considering he's using a tier 1 pickaxe, I'm not really scared of him.
Watching down Fort Henry is kind of boring.
Pardon?
This is kind of boring, watching Fort Henry.
Yeah, just watch it over until I'm back, and then we can start hunting some more bisons. And if someone comes near, we can kidnap them and then put them in the prison.
I see horses.
Wait, someone's there.
No, like...
Yo, I've got 3 special rocks. The hell?
It looks like they're going over the mine.
Who?
Like some horses. I think they're just like travelling.
Don't tell me you just shot at them.
No, shut up. Bisons.
Try and keep it low key. Okay, yeah, I haven't got a full inventory, but I'm going to start heading over because I have 3 special rocks. Got to stay safe, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey guys, we're back. Sorry, the recording paused. Bloody hell. Coming over the hill. What? Can you see me or something?
Yeah.
Ah! I have a star above my head, so you know where I am.
I accidentally did that. I seen you coming over the hill and the star was moving above your head. I think you need to be a certain amount of close for a star.
Imagine you left the faction and then kept Fort Henry for yourself.
I was gonna call my horse in here.
Yeah, I'll just say all that. Okay,
This is pretty good.
we're doing alright. There's a player.
Is that?
They're on a skill horse though.
Oh, is he going or is he coming? He's going away.
He's gonna get his homies. Let's wait till morning. Right, guys, this is going to be it for part 1. I hope you enjoyed. We will get this posted as soon as possible. And we'll have part 2 up soon. Goodbye.